Welcome back to Techmirror, where we bring you the latest reviews and buyer's guides for the best home and tech products. In today's video, we are counting down the best load washer machines in 2025. From powerful top-load washers to smart front-load models, these machines are built to handle everything from daily laundry to heavy-duty cleaning. Stay tuned as we break down features, performance, and value so you can find the perfect washer for your home. Let's get started. Number 5. The GE Appliances 4.5 Cubic Feet Top-load washer in white, GTW585BS VWS combines traditional washing performance with modern convenience, making it a dependable choice for families. It features a stainless steel drum and a dual-action agitator that deliver a deep, thorough clean while remaining gentle on fabrics. With 4 speeds and multiple wash cycles including normal wash, delicates, and whites, it provides the flexibility needed for a wide range of laundry tasks. A standout feature is the deep fill option, which gives you complete control over water levels. This is especially beneficial for heavy or heavily soiled loads. The My Cycle setting allows you to save customized wash preferences for future use, while the Quick Wash cycle completes a load in under 24 minutes. For advanced stain treatment, the Auto Soak function offers up to 2 hours of pre-wash soaking, and the Soak Rinse option helps minimize odors and bacteria when used with color-safe sanitizers. Customer reviews praise its simplicity, quiet operation, and superior cleaning compared to impeller-style washers. With a soft-close lid, sturdy construction, and intuitive controls, this washer avoids unnecessary complexity. Backed by a 10-year limited warranty and compatible with a matching dryer, it is designed for lasting reliability. Number 4. The Samsung 5.3 Cubic Feet 3500 Series Smart Top-Load Washer with Active Wave Agitator WA46CG3505AVA4 combines large capacity, modern features, and smart connectivity to make laundry care more efficient and convenient. The stainless steel drum ensures long-lasting durability, while the Active Wave Agitator provides powerful cleaning performance with reduced noise, vibration, and tangling, keeping clothes fresh and protected. With built-in Wi-Fi and compatibility with the Samsung SmartThings application, you can receive end-of-cycle alerts, remotely start or schedule wash cycles, and even troubleshoot directly from your smartphone. This washer offers 10 preset wash cycles, including heavy-duty, deep wash, speed wash, and self-clean, giving you versatile options to handle everything from delicate fabrics to heavily soiled laundry. The active water jet faucet makes it easy to treat stubborn stains before the wash, while the extra high water level option ensures a deep and thorough soak. The thoughtful design includes a soft close lid for safety and convenience, along with a self-clean cycle to maintain freshness inside the drum. Users appreciate its quiet operation, simple controls, and reliable cleaning results. With its combination of advanced technology, large capacity, and ease of use, this Samsung washer is a dependable and innovative choice for any household. Number 3. The LG Ultra Large Front Load Washer White 4.5 Cubic Feet WM3400 is designed to combine efficiency, capacity, and advanced cleaning technology in one durable machine. With its spacious 4.5 cubic feet stainless steel drum, it can handle large loads of laundry, making it ideal for families or anyone who wants to get more done in fewer cycles. This high-efficiency washer is also stackable, helping you save valuable space in your laundry area. LG's 6-motion technology uses up to 6 different wash motions, ranging from powerful scrubbing for stain removal to gentle swinging for delicates, ensuring clothes come out cleaner while preserving fabric quality. The cold wash option delivers the cleaning power of warm water while using cold water, saving energy without sacrificing performance. Features such as Sense Clean Load sensing technology automatically adjust water levels and wash times, while the True Balance anti-vibration and low decibel systems ensure quiet, smooth operation. For convenience and care, the Tub Clean cycle helps maintain freshness, and Smart Diagnosis technology makes troubleshooting simple. With multiple wash cycles including normal, heavy-duty, delicates, and bulky bedding, this washer provides flexibility for all laundry needs. Backed by a 10-year limited warranty on the motor, this LG model is dependable, efficient, and built to last. Number 2. The GE Appliances Smart 4.8 Cubic Feet Energy Star Front Load Washer with Odor Block GFW5FABSSNWDU is a versatile and efficient appliance designed for modern households. With its spacious stainless steel drum and stackable design, it easily handles large loads while fitting into compact laundry spaces. Certified by Energy Star in both the United States and Canada, it provides excellent energy and water savings without compromising performance. This washer features 5 spin speeds and a wide variety of wash cycles, including normal, delicates, heavy-duty, sanitize, whites, and quick wash. The 20-minute quick wash is ideal for lightly soiled items, while the time-saver cycle delivers a thorough clean in only 35 minutes. Advanced functions such as stain wash with steam enhance cleaning power, and the tub clean cycle helps maintain freshness. The dynamic balancing technology, DBT, ensures quiet operation by automatically rebalancing uneven loads during the spin cycle, making it perfect for any home environment. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can monitor and control your laundry remotely for added convenience. The washer also includes odor block technology to keep the interior fresh between loads. Backed by a 10-year limited warranty, this GE model combines reliability, advanced features, and sustainable performance, making laundry simpler and more effective. Number 1. The LG Ultra Large Capacity Front Load Washer, 4.5 cubic feet, WM4000 HBA, is a high-efficiency, feature-rich appliance designed to handle large loads with ease while delivering advanced cleaning performance. Its spacious stainless steel drum is both durable and gentle on fabrics, and the stackable design makes it a smart choice for saving space in smaller laundry areas. Equipped with Turbo Wash 360-degree technology, this washer powers through big loads in under 30 minutes without sacrificing cleaning quality. LG's AI technology automatically detects fabric type and load size, adjusting wash settings for optimal results. With Wi-Fi connectivity and the ThinQ application, users can remotely control the washer, receive cycle notifications, and even pair the washer with a compatible LG dryer for seamless laundry care. The steam function, certified by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America, reduces allergens such as dust, pollen, and pet dander by over 95%, providing a deeper clean for sensitive households. Additional features include a tub clean cycle for freshness, True Balance anti-vibration technology for quiet operation, and a tempered glass door with stylish accents. Backed by a 10-year limited warranty on the direct drive motor, this Energy Star certified washer delivers durability, efficiency, and intelligent performance, making it a reliable long-term investment.